Hello. Today I'll be showing you how to put a CPU and heatsink in an AMD motherboard. First, make sure your power is off and nothing is plugged in. You'll need thermal compound for this job. We will be using a 2.10 GHz dual-core processor. First, make sure the bar on the CPU slot is open. You'll be inserting the CPU to that slot. Make sure it lines up with the pins. Don't bend pins. When inserted on top of the CPU, you're going to put a little squirt of thermal compound. Put the heatsink above and it'll squish together. Place the lock bar down and secure the CPU. Okay, here's a heatsink. You're going to want to lock it in. There's going to be two square ends on the plastic surrounding the CPU, which will fit in on the processor lock. You're going to want to move the lever to the tighten. Okay, that's how you insert a heatsink and processor on a AMD motherboard. Please subscribe, rate, and comment my video. Thanks for watching.